Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a trick to buy Redmi Note 5 Pro successfully from the Flipkart flash sale. You already know why everyone wants to buy this phone. At this time under 14,000 Indian rupees, Redmi Note 5 Pro is the best smartphone in the India right now. So this trick will surely increase your chance of buying this phone. So let's get started, and first of all you have to download and install Flipshop Chrome extension. Once you install the extension, you will notice an icon on the search bar. Simply click on that. Go to flash sale option where you will find Redmi Note 5 Pro's listing. Check the box of Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 5 Pro variant, whichever you wanna buy. Open your PC or laptop on the sale day and just 5 minutes before the sale time, like 11:55 AM. Now first thing you have to do is sync your computer time with Indian Standard Time. This is very simple. Right click on the taskbar clock icon, click on adjust time and date, click on internet time, click on change setting. Now select the best server and click on update now. Just click on OK and you are ready for the flash sale. Now you can visit the Redmi Note 5 Pro sale page on Flipkart, and there you will notice a pop-up. Then the pop-up color will change to green, which means our extension has started working. During the flash sale time frame, it will automatically add the product to cart. As of now, cash on delivery is not available for the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now quick tip, make the payment via PhonePe app or by the UPI like Bheem. It will surely increase your chance by 25%. I'll not recommend you to use debit or credit cards, as you all know OTP sucks. Thank you. Hope this helps all the me lover. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. There is a secret on my Instagram page, and I'll see you in the next one.